Well, good morning. Welcome to the October 3rd, Wednesday morning edition of the Ag Market Network Morning Update. I'm Pat McClatchy, and looking at the markets this morning, we've got agricultural markets are currently up, at least some. Energy up, the dollar up. Precious metals are mixed. Global stock markets are mixed. Asian stock markets closed mostly down. European markets are currently mostly up. And right now we've got the U.S. up. And so let's take a look at where we are. Well, let's first talk about some of the news here that we've seen lately. We've got a big week on store as far as Fed speeches. Various Fed governors will be speaking around the country, and we're expecting some indication as to what the plans are for going forward for interest rates. We'll be keeping an eye on that. There was a forecast that came out yesterday from the ICAC that talked about the need to adjust upward the amount of cotton that China is going to need to import. I think that caught people a little bit off guard. As far as the grain news goes, part of the reason we've been supported is the delays we've seen due to weather in the Midwest with harvest, and that's been a supportive factor there. Take a look at where we are in cotton this morning. We were down around 15 or 20 at one point early, then we got up about 30, and right now we're up about 6 at 76.25, a high of 76.51, a low of 76.08. November soybeans up 3 3/4 at 8.69 3/4, almost on the high of 8.70, low of 8.66. December corn up 3/4 at 3.68 1/4, a high of 3.69, a low of 3.67. December wheat up 1 1/4 at 5.20 1/2 with a high of 5.27 1/4, a low of 5.19 3/4. Crude oil is up 7 at 75.30 for November crude. Dollar down 2. Gold up 1. Silver up 7. And right now the S&P futures index is up 10. So that's a pretty fair move there. So expectations at 8:30 Central when the stock market's open, we'll be up a good bit off of that. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.